You wake up late, you tell yourself you will scroll on your phone for 5 minutes, and suddenly 2 hours have passed. You had plans to study, to work out, to organize your life, but instead you sit there at the end of the day wondering why nothing actually happened. You aren't lazy. Your brain is carrying too many unfinished tasks and unresolved expectations. It operates like a computer with 47 tabs open, and because the system is lagging, your natural response is to avoid the workload. You scroll, you delay, and the cycle repeats. A 24-hour reset day provides a structural break in this cycle. For the next day, the focus shifts entirely from performing tasks to achieving mental clarity. Before you start, gather these 3 items: a physical notebook, a pen, and a dedicated timer that is not your phone. You need these analog tools to build structural clarity without digital distractions. Mapping out where you stand creates conditions for momentum to return. The first step is resetting your environment. Set your timer for exactly 20 minutes. Throw away the trash, stack your papers, and make your bed. Your physical space mirrors your mental state. When your desk is covered in clutter, your working memory absorbs that chaos, making it difficult to focus on a single objective. Avoid the trap of a massive deep clean. When that 20-minute timer rings, you stop immediately. The goal here is a better environment, not a perfect one. Step 2 is to brain dump. Open your notebook and write down every single task, worry, and deadline currently occupying your thoughts. Do not organize this list. Ignore spelling, formatting, and categories. If it is a huge project or just a text message you forgot to reply to, get it down on the page as fast as you can write. Moving these abstract anxieties onto a physical page offloads the cognitive burden of holding them in your working memory. This reduces the background mental noise that drains your daily energy. Now for step 3. For the next few hours, you will reduce your dopamine intake and cut out environmental noise. This requires silencing your phone, stepping away from all screens, and sitting in silence. You are removing the constant stream of inputs your brain has become accustomed to. At first, the quiet will feel uncomfortable. That anxiety is a symptom of an overstimulated brain readjusting to a normal baseline without constant digital noise. Once your mind clears, move to step 4. It is time to shift from clearing your thoughts to taking action. Look back at the brain dump list you created earlier. You must filter down your entire list until you have exactly 3 priority tasks. Choosing more than 3 leads to the same overcommitment that caused the initial paralysis. Focus your effort entirely on completing just these 3 specific items before doing anything else. Finishing 3 targeted tasks proves to your brain that you can follow through. This success rebuilds your self-trust and breaks the paralysis loop more effectively than a failed attempt at a massive to-do list. Step 5 targets the physical foundation. Drink a large glass of water and get some basic movement in, even if it is just a short walk around the block. Late-night screen use is the primary obstacle to this physical reset. Scrolling until the early morning hours prevents the cognitive recovery needed for the next day. This graphic compares a disrupted schedule with a restorative one. Prioritizing rest tonight ensures your brain has the chemical resources to handle tomorrow's checklist. Sleep repairs the cognitive functions required for effective problem solving. Finally, step 6 happens right before you end the day. You need to map out the next 24 hours. Keep the requirements minimal. Write down exactly 3 new priority tasks for tomorrow and assign a specific time to execute each one. Setting a concrete plan tonight removes decision fatigue from tomorrow morning. You begin the day with clear direction, rather than spending energy deciding where to start. In less than a day, you have transitioned from a paralyzed state to a clean space, an offloaded mind, and 3 completed tasks. A single day creates a necessary pivot point. Resetting your baseline today stops the downward spiral and establishes a sustainable direction for the week ahead. Right now, close this video, set your 20-minute timer, and start cleaning your room. This system relies on immediate progress, rather than waiting for a burst of motivation. Regaining control of your life starts with these first 20 minutes.